Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use event monitoring in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, you should know first that the event monitoring is only available in the developer edition or the enterprise and unlimited edition. So basically, if you don't have or if your plan is only like the professional one, probably you won't have the event monitoring enabled. So basically, second thing to know is that the event monitoring is only monitoring the logins, logouts, the web clicks in Salesforce Classic, the lightning like the web clicks, performance, and other errors, visual force page loads like this one. So basically, we can go to the developer console, and from there we can click on new, and as you can see, all these lightning components in their actions are logged in the event monitoring. So basically, if you want an interface where you want to see all your events, you can just simply go to the event manager browser. So we can just type event in the setup in the quick find, so you can find this. So here we will find the event uh, monitoring. So we will need just to go to the event log file browser. So here we will see all the events that happens, and also you can start adding your own event monitoring if you want. You can start generating log files, delete event monitoring data, etc., etc. Also, you can start enabling test threat detection and some other things. So now you can just go to the log file, and from there you can see all and monitor all your events. And if you want to do it with the developer console, you can do it by going to file and open, and then we go to classes and we search for event file or the event here in the object, and we search for event monitoring or the event log file, and from here we can just double click, and as you can see you can query everything and click on query, execute, and then you will find all your events. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.